Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, April the 17th, 2021. We have here an additional with extra Sudokus with 1 star, Sudokus with 1 star, Sudokus with 2 stars, Sudokus with 3 stars, and Sudokus with 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic. This one is with 4 stars. This one is with 1 star. Binary puzzle 1 and a binary puzzle 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. And today I won't do them all too much and time consuming. I only do 4 of them. Yes, the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary puzzle I will solve. Tomorrow, if I'm in the mood, I will do the rest of the puzzles in this additional. So let's get started with this one. This with 3 stars, and this will be number 2649. All right, 2649. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. I've already counted. You can check this if I'm wrong or right. So let's get started. I see here in the second row 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in these 2 boxes. The 7 could be here or there. We see there also a 7, so no 7 here. Only place for the 7 should be there. Then how about the number 9 in the third column? The 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then how about the 2 in this row? The 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then yeah. How about I'm thinking. The 2 in this column, the 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row. 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between the only 3 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. All right. How about the 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Then. We have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers, so 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Then, well, look, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. There 7 in the last row, so no 7 here. So the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1, all right. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. All right, 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 1 in this column. Wait, no. Let me see. 3, 4, and the 7 is missing. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 6. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 1. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3, all right. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 4. Yes, 4. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 8. How about these 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7? Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 7. Okay. So this should be also 4 and a 7. 5, 9, 9, 9. Okay. 9 and 3. Yes. No, 3 we have here. And the 5, yes. And the 5. All right. 3 missing numbers. Well, actually 4. But 2 numbers out of 4, yes. The 4 missing numbers. But 2 of them, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of them are the numbers 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. Here also 5 and a 9 in that box. So the 5 and the 9 in the last column should be there as a pair. 5 and a 9. This should be 8 and the 6 in the last column. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. All right, 1 number left in this big... Wait. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 is missing. The 9 is missing. And the 8 is missing. Yes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 4 missing numbers? Wait, 1 number left in the second row. This should be the number 4. All right. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. We have a 6 there, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes 9 and 8. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be an 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box cannot be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 9. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. No, 7 we have. The 1. The 1 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5. 6 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and the 7. Alright. So we have a 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Alright. 7, 7, 7, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in the last row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 boxes left now in this row for the number 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. Alright. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and an 8. 5 and an 8 in the middle column. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 5 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. And if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.